Hey, bread friends. It's me, Ellen, your crazy baker chick. My hair is, well, it's somewhat dry. Took a shower a little while ago. And I'm leaning on my Disneyland, Disneyland pillow. Anyway, I'm in my pajamas. So something is bugging me. I know that it does make sense that baking bread in your bread machine would be easier as opposed to using the dough course. I don't think it is. Well, it's not for me. So I keep thinking about this and thinking about this and thinking about this as we get new beginners in all the Facebook groups and people that this reaches. They all want to set it and forget it. And I did too. I thought that was going to be the awesomest thing ever. But you don't set it and forget it. As I tell you all the time, you have to set a timer to check your dough 5 minutes after it's needed and adjust the consistency with either flour or liquid as necessary. So that's one thing. It is not set it and forget it. So when you bake the whole bread in the bread machine, you put the ingredients in. Hopefully you're weighing them. You put the ingredients in. You choose your course, like white or wheat or whatever. And you press start and you walk away. Okay, even if you do what I just told you about adjusting dough consistency, you have to look at the dough. If it's dry looking and kind of craggy and all over the place, then it's too dry. You need to add a splash of liquid and then go back in a minute and see how it's doing. You should touch it with like a flat, my forehead is now dough, flat fingertip like this, not a poke, but a flat. And if it makes kind of where it's tacky, it's good. And also if it's smooth, a nice smooth dough ball and has kind of made the bread pan clean and all the dough is in the one ball. If it's coming off on your finger, it's too wet and you might add a bit of flour. But that's another video. So if you bake in the bread machine, number one, you get the shape you get. And I know some of you remove the paddles and reshape. I do not do that. I just don't. If I'm going to bake it in the bread machine, I'll take the shape I get and I don't care. But I almost always use dough course. So I'm talking about what's easier, right? So with dough course, you check your dough consistency. You add ingredients if you need to. And at the add beep, if you want to add raisins or whatever, that's an add. And then it rises, and then it knocks it down. Then it rises some more, and then the dough course completes. My bread machine dough course is about 90 minutes. All I do is take the, press cancel and unplug, take the bread pan out, dump the dough on my counter, shape it really fast. If it's just a loaf, you just shape it. Dump it into the dough pan, let it rise for 45 minutes, bake it. That's not difficult. What I find more difficult, honestly, is taking the hot bread pan out of the bread machine when the dough is complete, when the bread is completed. Get somehow with your oven mitts, flipping it over to get the dough out without burning yourself, hoping you're not smashing the bread. And then you have to have a hot pad or whatever ready next to your sink, because you're going to put that bread pan down and then pick it up again, or have the faucet running already, but you need to have some warm water, put some warm water in it and some dishwashing soap. And you kind of have to wait till the bread pan has cooled just enough where you reach in and wiggle jiggle both paddles till they come out. And then later on, you can, wash the paddles. Don't forget to use a straw brush in the middle to make sure the holes get clean. And then you wash the inside only of your bread pan. So that means that you take your bread out and you might smash it. A lot of times that has happened to me where, oh man, I dented the top getting the bread out. And it's hot and you're doing this contortion where, because you're holding onto the handles, but you have to turn it upside down. I find that kind of difficult. And I've burned my inside of my wrist a dozen times or more. And then putting it on the sink, on being prepared with something that I could put it on, and putting water in it means I have to pick it up again with the water running, and putting the soap, dish soap in it, and letting it cool just enough to then get the paddles out, because they're going to be cemented, and if you don't get water in there and get the paddles out. So to me, that's harder. It's hard. To me, it's easier to take the dough out, shape it a tiny bit, plop it into a bread pan, use your oven slightly warmed or on proof, and just let it rise in the oven, take it out, preheat your oven, put it back in and bake it. It's not harder to use the dough course, I don't think. And I just prefer the results. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with baking the bread in the machine, but I like the control, I think, of the dough course. So don't be afraid of it. And I just want to know what you all think of what I'm talking about tonight. Have a great day and night or whenever you see this.